Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Cool Gift Ideas. So you might be planning to gift someone, but you don't know what to give as gift. So you might come across this scenarios. So this is one website where you can discover creative gift ideas for anyone based on who they are. So you can tell about that person here. So I'm gonna say my manager who likes to party hard and is a fitness enthusiast. This is the description I put. So let me see what are the gifts that is suitable for this person. So it is creating it. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it has generated some ideas. You can give a Bluetooth speaker, home gym set, an insulated water bottle, digital food scale, yoga mat, wireless fitness tracker, wine aerator, margarita maker, beer maker, personalized bar sign, portable cooler, a set of cool cocktail napkins. So these are the interesting things that it has come up with. Isn't it interesting? I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.